Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I will explain to you how to recover the deleted WhatsApp messages. So in order to do that, just go to your settings, and basically what we are going to do is we are going to apply and enable our chat backup. So to do that you need to go to chats, then scroll down and then click on chat backup. And now basically very important step. So if you want to make sure that your chats remain and save and you never lose them, you need to make sure to back up everything before you lose your messages. So if you're going to not make a backup, then you will not be able to ever recover your messages anymore. So you need to back them up before, when you have some data in your chats, just click on backup. It's going to back up your messages into the server. As you can see, I'm able to back up messages because I've got nothing to back up, but if you have some messages you will be able to do that easily. Also, you can choose include videos so that your media is automatically backed up as well, so that when you, for example, have a new phone or reinstall the app, you can just log in, restore your backup, and all of your chat messages and media will be automatically restored easily like this. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this helped, press like, subscribe, and I will see you soon in a new video.